All the parts have arrived, and the Starlink dish is mounted on top of the pole right at the edge of the deck, and the cable is going straight up into my office. These are the mounts for the Dwarf and the Seestar, so it enters there, and we started the testing almost immediately. This is the Starlink app, and it shows that we are online. Statistics: 100% ping success over the last 15 minutes. A latency 22 milliseconds. The power draw is minimal because we're not doing much. The events and outages is turning it on. That's all there is to it. Network. I have 4 devices connected right now. Obstructions. This one I like. These are the actual Starlink satellites that are flying overhead. These are not planes, so we're not going to ask Bill to identify them, but these are Starlink satellites that the dish is talking to. Interestingly, the dish has to point to just a little bit east of north, and as we look at the alignment of the dish, it is pretty much perfectly aligned. It allows us to adjust it as necessary. The next step is speed test. That's probably the main thing that we need from it. And I like it how it shows what satellites it's connected to and then how the handover takes place. So let us start testing. I have a basic 100 megabit per second subscription. And this was the big surprise, that the uplink is much better than what I have now with cable. I have about 20 megabits per second. This one is giving me better than that. Now, if we go to a different speed test, I could watch this all day. This is the speakeasy, and let's see what it's going to give us. This is end-to-end internet as opposed to device to satellite. So we're good. We're very close to 100 megabit per second. Now this is the surprise. It is shooting 50-60 megabit per second upload. I like it. The proof of the pudding will come when we start streaming live and see how long that stream is sustained without any interruption. So we have very good numbers here. I like them very much. Let me go back to the app itself. I'm going to go back to, again, one of my favorites, and that's the obstructions. It was interesting how it built that map over time. It started with just one blue line, and then they more and more started adding, which indicate the satellites that we are looking at. So this is it. We have now a Starlink dish, which we will be using for streaming from the cemetery, as well as backup for Roadrunner here at home, and that will allow us to go live. Future tests, we're going to take it to the cemetery and see how things go there. And then Starlink geofences our ability to reach the satellite. So I want to see how far from home I can go and still get decent connectivity. So stay tuned, we will have more tests coming. For now, so long from the Pompey Observatory.